Hello everybody, Mr. Odom here, and I've got some problems that we're going to work out together. This is from section 3.4, it's problems 24 and 26. So make sure you have your pencil, your composition book or notebook paper, and you might need a calculator for this one. So the learning target for this video is I can write word sentences as equations and then solve them. So we did this in section 3.3. We're going to do it again, only this time we'll be using the properties of equality for multiplication and division. So let's look at problem 24. So a number divided by -9. So a number, I don't know what that number is, so I'm going to call it x, divided by -9 is, so that equals -16. So there is my equation. So I'm going to go ahead and let me scoot this over a little bit so I can do some work on it. So I'm going to put it over here like that. All right. So let's figure out what is x. Sorry, my throat. There we go. X divided by -9. What should I do? Well, I should multiply both sides by -9. So I'm going to do that. Why do I do that? Well, look over here. There's canceling that takes place between the -9 in the numerator and the -9 in the denominator. And that leaves me with x by itself. -16 times -9, you can check that in your calculator, should be positive 144 because a negative times negative is positive. And we're good. And if you want to check this, just in your calculator, take 144 divided by -9 divided by -9, and you should get -16. Okay, so that's how you can solve that problem. Let's try problem number 26. So this one says the product of 15 and a number. So here's 15, the product of 15 and a number. I don't know what the number is, so I'll call it x. So this 15x means 15 times x, which is the product of 15 and a number. And that is -75, is meaning equals. All right, how do I get x by itself? It's 15 times x. Let me divide by 15. Why? Because these two numbers will cancel each other out and leave me with x all by itself. Since I'm dividing this side by 15, I also have to divide this side by 15. And a negative divided by positive gives me a negative answer, and it will be -5. So you can check this. In your calculator, take 15, multiply it by -5, and you will get -75. So here we go. We got some practice writing word sentences and as equations, and then solving equations using the multiplication and division properties of equality. This is Mr. Odom. Have a good day. Hopefully you're able to go outside and enjoy the weather. That's all I got. I'm out.